hey, what's up, bro?
Oh, hey, man. Just get my monkey out the fridge.
I like that monkey, man. Hey, I'm gonna go take a nar poo now, okay?
Sweet, dude. Enjoy.
I will. Ryan! Ryan! Ryan!
I'm trying to enjoy my monkey!
Dude, you gotta take it down, man!
Fine! What, dude?
Dude, I just figured out something. Dudes can take anal better and girls can't because we take bigger poops, which means our butthole is more open. That's why guys can take anal better.
That's crazy, man. But hey, stop hitting yourself! But anyways, I'm gonna go put my monkey back in the fridge because he's getting warm. Okay, bye.